Right guys, we are here at the Legoland Discovery Centre here in Trafford Centre. I'm going to quickly take you on a quick tour so you can get an idea on what there is here. So you start off coming through the building area, so to give you an idea in terms of the Lego bricks and stuff like that, which then takes you into the first ride that you get here, which is Kingdom Quest. So downstairs you have the ability to be able to take a picture on a green screen, and then you can get your pictures here, as well as the ride that you can get from Kingdom Quest, which is up there. It is currently closed, but it is an interactive shooting ride that you can do. And we have a link up in the top corner there if you want to check out a quick POV of that. Then it takes us into Miniland. So this Miniland is all basically based around the northwest of the UK. So here you have Blackpool on the right hand side, and then in the middle you have Manchester. So you've got the two football clubs here, you've got the cathedral, and you've also got on the far side there the Trafford Centre, which is where we're at now. The left hand side you have Alton Towers with Oblivion, and then you've got some Liverpool here, so you've got Aintree Racecourse, and then some more of like the live building and stuff like that. It is currently based around Halloween because that's the time of year that we're building it. We're here for Brick or Treat. Moving into the main section now of Discovery Centre, on the right hand side you've got the Great Lego Race. That's a VR coaster that you can get here. It is an additional upcharge. It's £6 for one race, £10 for two, or if you've got a Merlin annual pass it is £5 for one, so you get a slight discount. And on the left hand side here's the build station, and again because it is Halloween they are currently building that towards pumpkins, but that changes seasonally. Here in the middle of the section, that's generally where you get your Lego meet and greets. So at the moment that is the Monster Party, and Lord Vampire was here a few minutes ago. That is where you can have the meet and greets for the Lego characters. On the right hand side here you've got Lego Studios, which is where they have the 4D cinema, and they're currently alternating between the Great Monster Chase and Lego Friends 4D, but that does again change depending on the season that you're coming in. I'm now going to take you into the Lego Ninjago City Adventure area. So this is your soft play. All your kids' soft play is in here. And then you've got a climbing wall to the left hand side. And then here to the right is where they have some Ninjago mini games for you to play for the kids as well. So you've got a little pole, and then you've got a picture taking area here, along with another mini game. Within the Ninjago area there are little bins that you can make little Lego characters if you wish. And again, like I said, there is a soft play in here at the moment with a ball pit. I won't go in there, but you get a rough idea in terms of what the soft play is. Moving here, you now have an under fives area, which is the police chase. So I'll show you that in a bit more detail in a few minutes time. But before that, I'm going to show you the racers building test area. So this is where you can basically come here and build your own cars in these bins here. There's tons of wheels. So you can go there, which is basically where they have the ramps, and you can race each other. And there's also a little race car area here that you can kind of put it in, press it, and then they go at the same time. This is the area now for the police chase, and I'll just quickly show you over the top. So it's these type of little buggies that you get here that you can kind of race all throughout it, but again that is only for under fives. These two rooms are dedicated for your birthdays, so if you're interested in having a birthday here, I'll just quickly show you what that looks like inside. Sometimes they dedicate it to certain activities on your weekends if they don't have birthdays in, but that is your birthday area there if you're wanting to book a birthday for your kids. We're now moving into the back part of the area of the toddler area, so again another under fives. So this is soft play for the under fives, so they don't have to go in with the bigger kids, so it is a dedicated area there if you are interested. And then this area is where you can use Duplo to build up a massive tower, and it's an earthquake, so you can basically just tap that and see how tall you can make the tower before it falls down. Loads of chairs and tables here for people who want to hang out, so this is where the adults usually are on the weekend. This can get quite packed. And then you've got some more Duplo area here to the left hand side, along with big Lego bricks and a little slide again for the little kids. So this is more your Duplo area, looking for like your toddlers. Then if we move over to the right hand side, you've got your second ride here at Legoland Discovery Centre in Trafford, which is Merlin's Apprentice. And you have to be 90 centimetres or above to be able to ride it, and you have to be accompanied by an adult unless you are 1.2 metres or higher. This is now the coffee shop here to the right, and I'll just quickly take you in and show you all the prices and stuff like that in there. So they've got seating here on the left hand side, So it is limited though in terms of inside of the coffee house. You've got the Coca-Cola freestyle machines that you can buy from here as well. Condiment station, and if you've got a baby, they also have a microwave, so they've got a baby station there as well. They serve Costa products here, and then they've also got like ice creams and stuff. So if you've got an idea on pricing, so there's your cakes and your coffees, and then those are your prices up there. So just pause if you need to. See, that's the kids' meal, so it's £5.95. You get a main, crisps, and a snack, and you can also get fruit and a drink as well. You get to pick up one of these Lego lunch boxes. And as soon as you're out of the coffee shop, that then brings you back round to the front entrance here. So a couple of other things just to mention before I leave you is on the right hand side you have the creative workshop, which you can book in, and you've got little Lego characters that you can build with a Lego Master Builder, and this is the Lego Master Model Builder area, which is where you can see them at work. I can just quickly take you round to the front here. There's just one small area that's left, which is around the space theme. So as you are leaving, you'll exit up this ramp, and then as you go up this ramp here, it takes you to the last area, which is around space. So this is the space area. You can also meet the Lego friends. That's the new area that's just come here. And then you've got some spaceships, space mission area there. And then there's also a countdown on this side here, which is for the rockets. And then you've got Buzz Lightyear before you exit through the party, where you get to see some of the Lego characters from the Lego movie and Lego Batman.